Hello everybody, welcome back to
Hobie's Nature Club.
Today we're going on a nature walk. We're going to go and see what we can find.
Shall we go then?
Yeah, come on.
Come on then. Wow, look what we found. It's a parasol. You can't touch them though.
Why not?
They're poisonous. Look, there's woodpeckers in the wood.
Wow, they're so cool. If we were really quiet, we might hear a woodpecker.
Yeah, there's a woodlouse here.
What's cool about them?
They can breathe underwater and stick, but sometimes they can't, like this one. Hey, come up.
What do they do when they're scared?
They curl up into a little ball when they're scared. I'm going to hide some sausages for Buffy for a treasure hunt. I'm just going to let Buffy smell it now. Stay. This is like hair, Mummy. It's like a monster tree.
Yeah, do you remember what it's called?
Lichen?
Lichen, and it's really good for using as tinder in your fire pit to light fires, isn't it? We've used it a few times, haven't we?
Yeah.
But remember to leave lots for the insects because they love it too for their homes.
It looks fluffy, but it's actually really hard.
Bit crispy, isn't it?
Come on. Mm. 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 Mm.
Thanks so much for coming on our nature walk with us. We had a really fun time, didn't we, Hobie?
Yeah, we even found cows, horses, birds, deers, and what else?
We don't know, but we just had a treasure hunt with Buffy as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
So why don't you go on a nature hunt and see what you can find in the woods?
Yeah.
And remember to...
Have fun in nature, learn to nurture.
Bye!